everyone, are you back for more? This is Randal Spangler unboxing number 3. So I said that I'm going to be doing a triple whammy of Randal unboxings on my channel. So if you have watched the previous video, I would have shown you Cute as a Button. If you have watched the previous video to that, I would have shown you a fairy friend. And then this is the final one of the 3. So this was a, what do you call it? I have very foggy brain due to the medication I am currently on. So please bear with me. Black Friday, that's what it's called. I purchased some kits on Black Friday because obviously the deal was fantastic, and also I needed to cheer myself up. So this was one of the kits that I purchased. I absolutely love Randal Spangler, and I saw this and I had to have it. Now, when I pick paintings, I pick paintings that obviously that I like, but also pick paintings that mean something to me. So I have, and this is kind of a little bit of a sad moment, really, kind of talking about this now, because it's retrospectively after everything's happened. Well, I bought this painting because back in 2020 I bought a pull-along wagon cart thing, and it was for a scrapbooking event, and then obviously the world went mental and we all shut down anyway, which I never got to go to. However, I bought this pull-along cart thing, and my dogs were so interested in it that I put them in it, and I was wheeling them around and they loved it. And this reminded me of when I put my 2 dogs in the cart and was wheeling them around. I tell you what, I'll find the photo and I'll pop that on screen. So when I saw this, I thought, you know what, it's not just Randal, but it's also one that it means something to me. Sadly, my dog, my Labrador, sadly we had to put her to sleep just under a week ago. She had become very poorly, yeah, it escalated very, very quickly. And so I think I really want to do this one as soon as possible, along with The Dogs Are Cool. I want to get this one done just in memory of her. So this one here, let's get this unboxed and let's take a look at this, and I will show you the kit. It won't fit all the way on my desk, but the majority of it will, so do bear with me whilst I have to move the canvas around. So we have it out of the box, and oops, first of all, we have the toolkit. I do not show the full toolkit anymore because there are plenty of videos showing it to you, and if you are an avid Diamond Art Club fan, then you would have seen the toolkit over and over, probably hundreds of times, especially in unboxing. So all I show in my videos is the washi and the cover minder, which both are typically, or both are rumoured to be going anyway. Oh, wrong one. So you always get the tray, the pen, the wax, the 2 multi-placers, the squishy, and some baggies. If it's a square kit, you also get the tweezers, and then you also get the washi and the cover minder, which will always differ per kit. Now, I was gunning to see if I was going to get a 3rd green macaron. I haven't. I've got a dolphin. Woohoo! So I've got a yellow dolphin on this occasion. Now, I hear that these are one of the troublesome ones, that the magnets keep coming off. So we'll have to see what happens. But also another floral washi. That's all I tend to get from these kits. So floral washi and a dolphin. Did I say diamond earlier? A dolphin cover minder. So I'll just pop that back in there, and most of that then just gets donated on to friends and family that are diamond painters also. So here is my little sticker. This one is called Dragon Wagon, and oh my goodness me, I had to have it. So this has been sat in my craft room waiting for me to film an unboxing video for weeks. So I've been absolutely desperate to actually take a look at this in person, but I have not been well enough to be able to get into my room to film. So today is a little bit of an easier day, so I am taking advantage of that, and I'm going to try and film some videos for you guys. The editing part I can do from the sofa, so when I'm not feeling as good, I can sit there with my headphones on and just edit. But what I can't do is sit in my room and film and talk to you because I can't really function. So here is Dragon Wagon. I'm sorry for any glare that the lights are causing, but we've just got to work with it, guys. You do get a thank you leaflet. I am a Diamond Art Club affiliate, so if you are interested, if you've never purchased from them before, if you are interested, then I do have an affiliate code in the description box down below. If you click that, you will get a discount off of your first purchase, along with it gives me a little kickback as well. So win-win. If you would use that affiliate code, then thank you so much in advance. It really means a lot. So yes, you get a thank you for your purchase. Then you also get your sticker sheet. There are 58 colours in this one, so a fair amount. I think it was 45 in the last one that was the same size. So this is 45 by 45 centimetres, or 17.7 by 17.7 inches. Now, in terms of ABs, there's 4. We've got 4 ABs in this one, and we've got 1 fairy dust. So that's fun. So let's take a look at the drills and see what we've got. Oh no, the glue's coming off this cap. I hate when that happens. Okay, let's stick that back. Okay, and know that I'm sacrificing this neat bundle to show you these. So I'm not going to go through all of them. We'll go through all the DMC codes. I'll show you the colours. We've got a bag of 310 there, quite a hefty bag. I'm not sure why, because it's very colourful, this one, so I'm not sure where all that black is sitting. It's in a lot of the outline, actually, by the looks of things. So the dragons definitely get outlined, and the wagon have that black outline. Okay, that's fine. So we've got the oranges and the greens. There's some blues, which I think is going to be in the wagon. I'm going to call it Dragon Wagon then. We've got, look at those greens there, and those will definitely help the shading for the draglings as well. And we've got some brown and some blue and some 3865, so there's that off-white. And then we've got blue, a really lovely purple, that's 3746. Look at that. Oh, look at those purples together. Oh my goodness me. I love colour. I absolutely love colour. So those blend is 327, 208 and 3746. And I hope, actually that's going to be the wagon because I think it's purple. It is. So I hope all of this together gives me some amazing shading. And then we've got our first fairy dust. And again, these are very, very difficult to show you, but these have a glitter coating on the top of each of the drills. And it helps just to give it a little bit more sparkle, something a little bit different from the AB drills. So these are very difficult to show up on camera. So I do apologise, but I am trying my best. Then we've got another train, and we've got some browns, some orange, some more orange, some purple, some orange, more blue. Then we've got our first AB. So we'll keep an eye on this because there should be 4 ABs in this. This is 131, which is that orangey colour. So with the ABs, it's got like an iridescent coating on top of it. AB stands for Aurora Borealis, if you don't know. And that just means it gives you kind of like that Northern Lights effect, where you've got the oil on water rainbowy effect. Then we've got some greens, some blues, some orange, some more greens, some light yellow. Now I'm searching for these ABs. Here is AB number 2. It is that lemon yellow colour. Number 129. Yep. Okay, so that's the second AB. So going on to the third train, this is where there are smaller and smaller amounts in these packets. So there's not going to be a huge amount of whatever ABs are left. So we've got some cherry red. I love this colour, 498. Really, really lovely colour, like a garnet. Some blue, some brown. Then we've got 119, which is this beautiful purple. I think that's code 550 with an AB on it, I think. And then we've got this red and a grey 666, which is that typical red colour. It used to be my favourite, but when I've compared it to some of the other colours, nope, not anymore. Here is this number 4? So we've had, yes, this is AB number 4. So we've got 138, which is this blue, this kind of sky blue colour, beautiful. And then we've got, just going down into smaller amounts, then 740 into this teeny tiny amount at the end here. You kind of think it's hardly worth it, but there we are. Right, so as I said, there are 58 colours in this, including the ABs and the one fairy dust. Let's take a look. So with the ABs, they'll always be at the top of the legend. So we are looking on this occasion for symbols 1, 2, 3 and 4, as it typically is. So let's see if we can see any of those numbers. Now I'm looking for a purple, a yellow, an orange and a blue. Okay, so I can see ones in this cart. I am super happy that that is the case. So in the top of this cart, we have some ones. Then we've got some 2s in the bottom of the wheel here and a few more here. Let's just see if there's any of the 1 to 4s at the bottom. There's some 2s. There's like a ball. Let's have a little look at the photo. Or the picture of the image. Yeah, so we've got a ball here and there's some 2s highlighting the kind of stripes around the ball. Then we've also got some 3s in here in the orange of the ball. So yeah, we've got this ball's definitely going to be sparkly over here with these ABs. There's also some 3s into this dollhouse too. And we've also got 2s up here. So we found some 1s, 2s and 3s. Now, number 4 is the blue. Okay, so the building block over here, we've got some 4s. We've also got a bit of a building block here. And then 1 here as well, I think. Yeah, so this is the top of this building block. So that is where the blue ABs come in, the number 4s. I don't see... Oh, and also in the dragling's eyes as well. So up here, there's also 4s in both of the dragling's eyes. But I think that is it. I don't think there's anything kind of... 2s as well in the dragling's ears, both sides. A little bit in the hand. And then you've got a couple just dispersed throughout his body, about their bodies as well. But yeah, not huge. 3s over here in this star as well. 3s in the... these are going to be really sparkly over here. These building blocks. So yeah, not a mass of... ABs up the top. You've got a lot in the building blocks, a lot in the toys basically, because you've got them in throughout the house, in this ball, and then you've also got them just surrounding the top of that wagon. And then, as I said, just a few into the draglings as well. So this is the unboxing of Dragon Wagon 3 for 3. Love Randal Spangler. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you are a Randal Spangler fan, or if you are not a Randal Spangler fan, or he's not your favourite artist from Diamond Art Club. Let me know who is. I love to discover new artists that I may not have heard of before, or I may not be aware of from Diamond Art Club. So please share your love as to who it is that you really enjoy the artwork of, and I'll be sure to go and take a look to make sure I've not cast my eye over an artist too quickly without really appreciating what they have to offer. So thank you very much for joining me for today's video. If you have enjoyed it, as always, please give the video a thumbs up. It really does help other people find my channel. And it really helps to support me to allow my channel to continue to grow, which is a little bit of a problem, not a problem, but a little bit of a struggle at the moment with me trying to get videos up for you whilst I'm going through this process of operations and trying to heal. So it really is appreciated if you can do whatever you can to be able to support me and my channel, and just things like that cost you nothing. Just to hit that like button, hit subscribe if you're new as well. I'd love to have you as part of the diamond painting nerd group, and yeah, I suppose I will see you all in the next one. I don't know what it's going to be. It might be a kitting up. I need to do a kitting up for hospital. I think I'm going to take my Paint Gem minis with me. So I want to do a kitting up for that. So you'll probably see that video as well, probably before I go in, potentially. So stay tuned, and I will see you all again in the next video. Thanks for coming back and watching and supporting and liking and commenting and doing all the things. It really does mean so much. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.